Arm pain causes and treatment. Arm pain is a common occurrence, and it can be caused by an injury or due to some other complication in the body. In some cases, the pain may be minor and go away with rest and care, while in some cases it may be really bad and you will need to seek medical attention as soon as possible. Arm pain may be caused by an arm sprain due to any kind of awkward fall or injury. A pinched nerve can cause arm pain, and usually this happens when you have been more active than normal or done something different. General wear and tear could lead to the nerves getting pinched. This can cause pain right from the neck to the arms. Tennis elbow can cause arm pain due to overuse of the muscles around the elbow region. Arm pain symptoms include redness, tingling, numbness, weakness, stiffness, swelling, tenderness, and limited range of motion. Acute stage symptoms are characterized by swelling, redness, pain, and possibly a local sensation of heat, indicating inflammation. If coolness makes your pain feel better, then the acute stage treatment is recommended. Apply the Sinew herbal ice to your arm to reduce redness, swelling, and inflammation while dispersing accumulated blood and fluids to help restore normal circulation to the arm. This first aid treatment is used in place of ice to significantly speed up the healing process. It reduces the swelling and inflammation more effectively than ice, allowing you to more quickly regain range of motion. Ice is not recommended because it does not help repair damaged tissues and keeps everything in the injured area frozen, causing the stagnation of blood and fluids and the contraction of muscles, tendons, and ligaments. In Chinese sports medicine, ice is not used and is considered a culprit in injuries that don't heal well. Massage your arm with acute sinew liniment to relieve pain, reduce swelling and inflammation, break up clotted blood and stagnant fluids, and stimulate circulation of blood and fluids to help cells quickly repair damaged tissues. The Sinew Sports Massage Oil is recommended for use before and after exercise, sports, and strenuous activity. It warms and stimulates your muscles, increases circulation, and relieves tightness, hence improving your performance and helping to prevent injury. Chronic stage symptoms begin once the swelling and inflammation are gone, but you still feel pain, stiffness, weakness, and/or sensitivity in cold and damp weather. If heat makes your pain feel better, then the chronic stage treatment is recommended. Massage your arm with chronic sinew liniment to relieve pain and stiffness, strongly stimulate circulation and blood flow to damaged tissues, and promote the healing of overstretched tendons and ligaments. Apply the sinew injury poultice on your arm to significantly stimulate circulation and blood flow to damaged tissues, relieve residual pain and stiffness, and further promote the healing of overstretched tendons and ligaments. The Sinew Sports Massage Oil is recommended for use before and after exercise, sports, and strenuous activity. It warms and stimulates your muscles, increases circulation, and relieves tightness, hence improving your performance and helping to prevent injury. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. To learn more, visit sinewtherapeutics.com.